Educational journey from offline education to online education.
Good morning, Mummy. I'm getting late to school. Pack my tiffin. Bus has arrived.
Yes, dear, your tiffin is ready. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye, Mummy.
Back to home from school.
Good evening, Mummy. Today we had games period. I enjoyed a lot. We had music and dance classes. And also, our science teacher explained about our environment and told us how to keep our surroundings clean.
Oh, I think you have enjoyed a lot at school.
Yes, Mummy, and we have annual exams from tomorrow.
Okay, then go and study.
Mummy, our class teacher gave us this pamphlet and she instructed us to wash our hands regularly and wear masks.
Yes, dear, you have to wash your hands regularly, maintain social distancing, and use sanitizer because coronavirus has affected the whole world. Let's watch TV.
ಒಂದು ವಾರ ಕಾಲ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸ್ತಬ್ಧ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಏನೇನಿರಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಟಿವಿ ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ರಾಜ್ಯಾದ್ಯಂತ ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಶಾಲೆಗಳಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ರಜೆ ಘೋಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ರಿಯಾಯಿತಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕೆಲವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ
I got a message from school.
I think maybe regarding my annual exams.
No, my child, due to coronavirus, there is a lockdown. Your school has been closed and no examinations will be conducted.
But I have prepared well for my exams. Mummy, school has not opened yet. What about my studies? Who is going to help me now? How about my competitions?
Doorbell rings. Don't worry, your school has sent books and they have started e-learning system wherein your teacher will be explaining you concept through videos.
Hello students, welcome to English class for class 4, day 30.
And
Today's topic is conjunctions.
And you're also going to get homework and your notes will be sent through PDF.
Is it, Mom? How exciting it is going to be. I can enjoy my school staying at home. Then how can I write my exams?
Of course you can write your exams. Your teacher will send you a question paper through Google form and you need to upload it.
Then how can I see my teachers and my friends?
Through online classes, you will not miss any of the competitions. They are going to be conducted through online classes. You will also have co-scholastic classes such as dance, karate, music.
Mummy, I have also participated in so many competitions such as fireless cooking competition, fancy dress competition, drawing competition, spell bee competition, storytelling competition and advertisement competition. And the best moment was, Mama, when you and Grandpa participated with me and got the certificate. I have also won so many prizes with your help and support.
Not only my support, dear, it is also your hard work and effort.
Mummy, no videos are coming from school now onwards. Syllabus has been completed. I will be bored now. What to do?
However, However, just because you're sitting at home, it doesn't mean you cannot get any work done or learn anything new. To engage you, your class teacher has sent some exciting homework. Math. Practice 2 to 20 multiplication tables every day. Copy the sums or problems in classwork and solve Semester 1 and Semester 2 Maths textbook in classwork. Watch all Semester 1 and Semester 2 videos for the reference. English. Watch the following movies: Zootopia, Inside Out, Kung Fu Panda 1, 2 and 3, Ice Age 1, 2 and 3, The Wizards of Oz, How to Train Your Dragon, Free Willy, Wonder. Write cursive writing after the completion of PT4 and continue writing daily 2 pages. Watch Semester 1 and Semester 2 videos for reference. Social. Practice world map and locate the continents. Practice India map and locate states and capitals. Watch the following historic movie: Shri Krishna Devaraya, Jodha Akbar, Tanaji, Panipat, Manikarnika. Watch all the Semester 1 and Semester 2 videos for reference. Science. Find the scientific reasons for the following questions. Why does idli or dosa batter rises after few hours? Why does lizard's tail grow after it gets cut? Why does candle blows off when we cover it with glass or tumbler? Why does oil doesn't mix with water? Why is the sky blue? Why lenses correct the vision problem? Why our mouth waters after smelling the aroma of the food? Why sugar dissolves quickly in hot milk? Why do we sweat after heavy exercises? Why do dogs keep mouth open all the time? Try these experiments, observe the results and write the reasons in notebook.
L2 ಕನ್ನಡ 1ರಿಂದ 5ರವರೆಗಿನ ಪಾಠಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಒಂದು ಪುಟ ಶುದ್ಧ ಬರಹ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. Watch all the semester 1 and semester 2 videos for the reference. L2 हिंदी 1 से 5 तक पाठ को देखकर प्रतिदिन एक पुष्ट सुलेख लिखिए. Watch all the semester 1 and semester 2 videos for the reference.
Dear parents, we hope that you and your family members are all well and managing to keep safe. We are glad to inform you that we have successfully completed the syllabus for this pandemic academic year. We appreciate everything that you have been doing to support learning from home. We know how difficult it was for you to manage your work and to guide, coach and train your child with their schooling. We wanted to thank you all as parents and mentors for your fantastic support over the complete academic year. So parents, kindly guide and help your child to continue learning the same way until the next academic year starts. Once again, we would like to thank you all for your kind support and cooperation throughout the academic year. Thank you.